wash the RCF real quick. It's pretty filthy, as you can see. We're gonna use the mean old brush on it because we don't care. And yeah, we're gonna head out to a car meet tonight and let's check it out. We may do the truck also because Parker is filming for us. I don't know, we'll figure it out. We got some stuff to do. So first we're gonna start by washing the car. We're gonna go sell some wheels with Parker and we'll take it from there. Check out the meet too. Let's start with the high pressure soap. High pressure rinse, no? Or soap? What should we do?
High pressure rinse.
Cool, I think that's where we're at. So, gotta get that Amex boy. They don't take American Express, dude. Broke boys. It's alright, I think I have a broke boy card. Yeah, there it is, Visa.
Bingo.
Yeah! Go, boys.
Time to get her wet.
Yeah. Finishing up the car, getting it nice and clean with our boy Parker, and head out to the meet, or fill the wheels.
Buddy, you missed a spot.
Dude, I missed a lot of spots, bro. We ran out of time. I was too busy being bougie, I guess.
That red interior, though.
Dude, it's so sick. I love it, man.
All in.
I thought you learned how to clean my car.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, I mean, I have a lot of things I need to learn. It's on like 2019, what do people do nowadays? Resolutions or something?
Something like that. I don't know. We can figure that out when New Year comes around.
Dude, I got resolutions every morning, bro. Gotta continually get better. But you know, 2 steps forward, 5 steps backward.
It's the only way to live. I don't think there is a bad angle on this car, dude.
Yeah, on video it's a little better, dude. It's just the pictures aren't too great. Everyone that sees it in person is like, oh, look, bro. So much sicker in person.
Perfect.
Parker's finished drying the car. Thanks, buddy. Oh yeah, check out that Lexus carbon fiber front grille. Very limited piece. Not many people have it. Although this is like OEM on a GSF, Lexus did not believe it necessary to include it on the RCF. Yeah, there it is. Sick. Keeping it nice and clean. Looks like we're ready for the meet, boys. We are ready for the meet. 24s on 20 sidewalls. Diablo wheels. Come on.
Dude, tiny.
Time to get some money back in your pocket, homie.
It would be nice.
Yeah.
I can finally afford the truck again.
Quotations afford. Whatever that means. You're such a racer. What's up? Yeah, let's roll out right now. It starts at 9, I think. Sick. I'll follow you. Or we should go out that way, no? Sick. My boy, typical MK6. Follow him on the gram. He's finishing up his wide body. Big boy rolling up over here in the truck. Got some super Jupiters coming in. Somebody bought a 488 Ferrari CR1. Hey, Emilio CR1. Catch me. Never. Parker wasn't successful at selling the wheels?
No.
Oh yeah, no, it's filming. Nobody does like.
Got some clean blazer action going on over here. Sick. Whoa, we got a Sienna? Dang, stand stout, boy. I like that. All right, guys, we got some dope Chevy C10s here. This was bagged on the ground. Number 69, he stole a number off of Carlos Jr. Really not too much out here, so most of this video is not going to be the meat because there really isn't anything cool. Gonna go meet up with my friend Kita. She just rolled in, so we're gonna say what's up to her and we'll see you guys here. I actually can't find you, but like, where by CPK are you?
I'm like right.
I found you.
I'm dead.
So,
I was gonna be like nigga, like right in front. What's up?
looking fresh. Nah, just chilling. Didn't get any good parking spots really. I think we found the nice cars, guys. We have some Camaro SS with like a copper wrap, color changing lights. Got some Hondas cleaving. Yeah, I think I know this guy with the ISF, and we have RC350 over there with some nice red wheels. We got a 4-door over here with some Eagles tires. Ooh, and a standard little single cab over here. Should we park out here, Parker? Should we hashtag flex? That's sick. Nice little wrap Porsche over here. Suicide boys, that's how you know they're 16 years old. And we got my boy Eddie coming in my old single cab. Hey. He's gonna try and run me over. I know he is. Scrapey boy. I did a good job in this truck, actually. Should really fix that though. What do you think about the truck, Marissa?
I like it.
You like it? No, you like him. You listen to corridos in it, because you have to. Got a GTR down there.
Yeah, get the bald eagle though.
There's a bald eagle in there?
Oh yeah.
That's cool.
The head. Eagle head.
Oh, that's cool. Alright, Marissa, we need to hear commentary.
Hold on, I haven't seen anything too horrible yet.
Like this? How do you feel about this right here?
God, man, all these scat packs everywhere. What's wrong with them?
Yada with the light bars for eyes.
Light bars for eyes, bro.
Hey. Oh my god. Is that actually his car? He comes in?
Welcome to OC, boys. It's actually his car. Oh my god. I'm gonna hit him up on Instagram. Everybody's starting to roll out. Got a Supra out there. Black Jam C63. Got that Eva over there. Got Baby Keats over here. How's that in and out?
Dang.
Gang, gang. Oh man. Oh my god, is that OC Rides?
No, it's...
Are we featuring ourselves on our YouTube
what
channels
camera
right
do you
now?
have? What camera do you have?
I think I have a
We
Canon.
have the same camera.
Oh, that's awkward. You have a nicer lens though.
I do have a nice lens, bro, for photos.
A lot of people don't know this, but oh, you're not filming.
Oh, hold on, go.
A lot of people don't know this, but Ray and I are F brothers.
Still have the F?
No, she's gone, brother. Sold her some Chinese man in Los Angeles.
Whatever, dude. Once F brothers, always F brothers.
Exactly. I still got the key.
Yeah, dude.
I told him I only had one key. I kept the other. It's for sale on Craigslist again. If you find it, he's selling it for $500 more than what I sold it to him for. It was probably one of the nicest sounding ISFs in the area.
Sounded pretty good, man.
I wish I had their shop.
I
like
sent
that.
some.
Where'd he go? Hey, you leave baby Keats alone.
Hold on, I'm being an interview. Shut up.
Alright, fine, interview her.
Move your car. 10 seconds. Go.
Alright, my body PRC, Rocket Bunny, B3, 305 Porsche wheels, and was in an accident, wrecked, and I completely restored it.
All right, commitment. Boom. Shadow. Let's go. All right, let's go check out some footboy shit, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna add him in the cards because he's insane. By the way, you should watch his YouTube channel.
Who's calling me? Yo, what's up, Leo?
Yo, I would like to take some time to really compliment this M3. This color is perfect. It's like a metallic black. And that fitment, oh my god.
Yeah,
on our 888Rs, this is actually the perfectly executed M3. Like, props, man. I don't like F80s, but this is insane. And that fitment is nice.
Yeah, it's perfect.
It's perfect, yeah. It doesn't get any better than that.
Could use just a little bit more.
It's pretty low. Oh, dude, Fender boys. Perfect fitment though. I had the same thing on the Shelby. Looks good.
Is that your car?
Nah, dude.
Oh, that's how mine sounds.
Yeah, work it. Okay, those are some pretty dope tunes. What are you gonna listen to, Kita?
Suicide Boys.
I knew it.
2 Chainz.
Have you listened to their new album? It's pretty dope.
Yeah, I like.
No quema.
No se quema para nada.
Well guys, that was it for the meet, I guess, and here's all 3 cars that I had or have. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.